Hey everyone. If you want more free, consistent traffic to your Shopify store, yeah, SEO is still one of the most powerful strategies. Let's go through how to improve it in 2026. First, refine your product titles. Include clear keywords that customers actually search for. Next, update meta titles and descriptions. These affect both rankings and click through rates. Use unique, detailed descriptions. Yeah, avoid copying supplier text. Large images slow your store and hurt SEO. Compress files and add descriptive alt text. Organize products into logical collections. This improves navigation and crawlability. Most traffic is mobile. Yeah, ensure pages load fast and look clean on smaller screens. Link related products and collections. This spreads SEO value across pages. Add blog posts or guides. Helpful content attracts organic search traffic. Track rankings and traffic using analytics tools. Yeah, measure what's improving, and that's it. Shopify SEO success comes from steady optimization, not quick tricks. Keep improving, and results will follow.